Where's your shirt? There's your shirt. Where's your head? Yep. Where's your eyes? Eyes? Yeah. Where's your ears? No, those are your eyes. Where's your ears? Okay, how about your mouth? Where's your mouth?
Mouth.
Yep, mouth. What about your nose? Yeah, there's your nose. Hey, where's your feet? Yep. Whoops. Where's your hands? Yep. Can you clap your hands? Can you wash your hands? Can you wash your hands? Wash them. Yeah. Clap. Do you want to brush your teeth? Do you? Do you or no? No? I thought you liked brushing your teeth. What? You want to play with blocks? Yeah. What? What's that?
Purple.
No, that's not purple. That's green. Mason.
Good.
Hey, can you say love you?
Purple.
Love you.
Good. Good.
That's yellow.